How to fix BoostOne app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name BoostOne and then search for it. Once app appears at the right corner of it, you're going to find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch the app and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. In this page, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in a device. Head over to the app BoostOne, open it, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your App Store, search for the app BoostOne. Once app appears, install it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix BoostOne app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.